Hey everyone, Mike here from PawnMate. I want to shoot this video because there's, tools that I love that come across or that I research and I start using, and I really, it really makes your life easier. And one tool is an online chat tool. And online chat tools connected to your website so that when visitors enter, they're prompted with, "Hey, how can we help you?" Very similar to your bricks and mortar, right? When a customer walks in, you're greeting them with, "Hey, how can I help you?" And so having an online chat feature on your website is super powerful, and you get to increase conversions if you can answer someone's question within a few seconds if they ask it on your site and direct them to where they need to go, then the chances of you closing that deal or that business increases dramatically. And so we've been using this chat feature, and it's free, by the way, free chat feature forever, and it's super powerful. But we've been using it for a long time, actually about three years now. And we recently integrated it into our e-commerce stores for our clients. So it's one, it's free. Two, it's super powerful, and three, you get to increase your conversions and your sales online. So I just want to go ahead and show you this free chat tool. So at the very bottom here, you can see it says I'm online now. And when you first arrive, you can set it in the back end in the admin section. You can set it to pop up 5 seconds after, for example, after someone lands on your website. And that's how we have it set up. And it's literally, completely branded your colors. And it's here. Everything is branded. Everything is admittable. So you could change, the text. Welcome to our site. If you need any help, reply to this message, and we are online, ready to help you. And then in the back end, if you see where they're going, so let's say they landed on the home page and they went to, say, our blog, for example, you can actually trigger that when they go to the blog, pop up again, say, "Hey, I notice you're on your blog. Can I answer any questions for you?" Or pricing products or anything like that. So it's a really cool, useful tool that we've integrated into our e-commerce for free. And I just wanted to, quickly go over it. What it's called is TalkT. So I'm just going to go ahead here and log out and just go to talk.to. And here is their website, and they're a firm believer that you should never have to pay to chat with a visitor online on your own website. And so they offer this free chat. And where they make their money, because we get this question, well, if it's free, how long is it going to be free, and are they going to be making money? Where do they make money? And they have add-ons. So if you wanted to, get rid of the branding on the chat right down here, I'll show you. It says powered by Talk. If you wanted to get rid of that, then it's going to cost you a per month a fee. And I don't mind having their brand on the chat box. So again, it's 100% free for us. And so you can really do a lot of things from this chat. And some of the things you can do is, so you can monitor website visitors in real time. You can answer chats from your mobile device. So from your Android or iPhone, you can go ahead and you could be sitting anywhere, and all of a sudden you have a visitor online and you're chatting. So for example, last night I was sitting there watching TV, and all of a sudden there's a visitor I started chatting with. It was 9:30 at night, and so I kept it online and I started chatting. And now they're going ahead with a 7-day trial from our software, just from a simple chat, answering some questions. Um, you can, like I said in the beginning, you can proactively trigger chats with customers depending on, or potential customers, depending on where they're going on the website. You can customize the widget. So again, full branding control, what it looks like. It's very cool. You can localize greetings as well. So if you know they're coming from, say, the specific geolocation, you can, have that in there. You can also, depending on your language, you can convert it or translate it into your language. And you can pretty much set it up with any site. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit about the back end, a little bit about what we did, and then just take it from there. I just want to, I love tools. Tools that are useful, and free tools are the best tools. So that's why I wanted to shoot this quick video for you guys. So again, if let's just log in actually. Let's see if I remember my password. So here's the dashboard when you first log in. It shows you some analytics, shows you the live visitors on the site right now, today, visits, live chats as of right now, your missed chats, positive sentiment, your returning visitors, engagement, availability. It'll show the chat history as well, which right now I'm in the dashboard. If I go to monitoring, you can see who's online and where they're at right now. So I'm not quite sure who this is, but again, I could trigger and start chatting with that person if I wanted to right now. This is me that's online. So if I go here, this is what it's tracking. So you just start monitoring. Over here, you can actually, ban that person. So if they're not they're not very nice, you just ban their IP. They won't be able to chat with you anymore. You can ignore it. So again, I could ignore mine, and so that I don't have to see the monitoring. This is where you see the active chats that are going on. The messaging, so you can have a direct message, for example, and then you can actually create a ticket. So if you're using it for service, for example, maybe you're a jewelry store and someone's asking about your service, you can actually relate this or transfer it over to the service department or the repair department, and they can start chatting. You have full reporting on what's going on, the chat volume, the missed chats, the average chat duration, user satisfaction, first response time, how long it takes, right? The shortest, the longest, all the different reporting that you'd actually really need. And we have it set up on our PawnMate website as well as our shopping website. So let me see if I have that set up. So I'm just going to go. So Mike's Pawn Shop here, you can see we have it set up right here. So perfect, right from integrating into our backend. So again, super powerful tool that you could use for free. Let's go back to the reporting. So you have add-ons. So this is where they make money, right? So it's a free chat. You can use it free. Everything I showed you can use, but if you want some added features, you have to pay the monthly fee. So like I mentioned before, you can remove the branding for $9 a month. You can hire live agents to monitor 24/7, and they charge $1 an hour. Okay. You have video, voice, and screen sharing. This is really cool for service, for example. A great add-on. That's $29 a month. So you can start to see where they're going to start recouping the fees for their actual software. Translation, that's coming soon. Shopping cart, coming soon. So you can direct people right to a specific page to shop. You can actually have in-chat payment, so you can send them a payment invoice. They can make a payment right then and there by clicking. Again, coming soon. And then you have SMS integration, so you can select a local number, send and receive SMS right from the dashboard. So again, this is a really cool add-ons here. So if I want to go to admin, this is where you change everything, right? So you can go ahead and you set up your property settings. So this is the keys that we'll need for our chat to set up in our system. You have property members, so you can designate everyone on your team or someone else on their team to initiate the chat. You can create shortcuts. You can have triggers. So like I said, right now we have one trigger, which is the welcome message. You can add another trigger, for example, depending on what type of trigger you want to set. trigger name. If there's a delay, you can see there's the delay that that will pop up. If the visitor, if the user visited a certain page, that's when that trigger is going to happen. And then you can have the actual agent's name, that sort of thing. Let me go close that. The ban list, so you can ban the IP address of someone, they're harassing you, for example. You can ban it, or if you don't do business in, say, China, and then China visitors are chatting, you can ban that, their IP, so you don't have to worry about them. You can set up departments, so you can set up, jewelry department, gaming department, and those specific departments can now actually have different users or members rather associated with that department. So that's the person or people that are going to actually get that chat if someone wants to talk about gaming consoles, for example. Mail notifications, so all chats can be sent via email so that everyone's aware of how many chats or what was said in the chat. Here's your add-ons, your billing, your tabs, agent alerts, knowledge base. So again, awesome tool to use. Again, it's free. I would be using it. Increase your conversions on your website, get more sales for free. You can actually, put default widget settings on so you can design it, your widget appearance, what it looks like. Again, totally everything that you want to do. Here's the widget content. Went away, say this is what it's going to say. Domain restriction, scheduler. So this is, when you are open and when are you available to chat. So we're open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. to chat. And then you can actually go ahead, and if it is offline and you want to, you can go ahead and turn it online. So the scheduler follows first, and then if you wanted to actually turn it on, you can go ahead and turn it on. So that's about it. This is, again, a really cool free tool that, that you could use and start chatting with. So I'm just going to go into our e-commerce platform here in the back end. So again, you get an e-commerce store with PawnMate for a small fee, just to do some branding and to help you integrate it with Google Analytics and chat and all that stuff. But here's the actual website, which is, in my opinion, we've been in the business for web and custom software programming for over 15 years, and we use the best practices when developing our e-commerce. And right now in the industry, I think that we have the leading e-commerce platform out there. My personal opinion, I invite you to come and see for yourself. To see and compare to others that are out there. So, the E4Os, the Baya, much better. So if I'm into admin, I go to my marketplace, I go to my e-commerce settings, and here is the back end. So if I wanted to add the instant messaging chat here, all I have to do is add that key and away we go. That's as simple as it gets. Then you can log into the back end and customize the colors and all that. So I wanted to shoot, again, this is a free tool. I can't stress that enough. You should be using it if you're a pawn shop. All the tools to make your life easier and to get more business is what you should be focused on. And live chat is one of them that is proven to increase conversions. Thanks, everyone. It's Friday. We're going to be signing off. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If there's anything you need, questions you have, comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks, everyone.